Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandon Davidson and I'm the owner of Davidson Audio, where we specialize solely in the Indian motorcycle audio solutions for the riders, and well, obviously Indian motorcycle owners as a whole. But in this video, we're going to be touching base on another audio specific product that we make for the 2019 and newer Indian Chieftains, and that is our DSP, or digital signal processor mounting plate with hardware, and how it is installed on the Indian Chieftain motorcycle, so that way if you're planning out your audio package, you know exactly what you need. So enough talking, let's go over, show you what's included with the kit, and get one installed on this bike. Alright, now I'm going to show you what you will receive when you order a Davidson Audio Indian Chieftain DSP plate. Again, a DSP is a digital signal processor, and the reason we use them is because it is the way that I've chosen to interface between the ride command and the aftermarket audio solution, and also it gives you a much broader customization of your audio system. Gives you more tuning flexibility, where the ride command and the power band gives you what, 7 bands of EQ. Depending on the DSP, like the Rockford Fosgates we like to use a lot, gives you 32 bands of parametric EQ. So the adjustability is night and bounds bigger or more extensive than what the OEM gives you. This is just our simple little DSP bracket. Again, it's another steel plate. It is powder coated textured black. We do have 4 mounting holes in it now for a particular DSP, but what you'll get is you'll get this, and currently we're using a lot of the Rockford DSR1s, so I'm going to show you in just a second. It pre-installed and everything ready to go on here. So you'll get 2 mounting screws for that DSP, and then you'll get 2 nuts with nylon lock nuts, 2 machine Allen bolts with nylon lock nuts on the bottom side to allow you to install it in the bike. The installation process is pretty straightforward, which we are going to show you. So let me show you. This one is what we consider our pre-tuned, pre-installed package option. So as you can see, we have a DSR1 on here, and we have gone ahead and soldered in our time delay module into our Indian Chieftain harness. We have also brought down the remote wire that will plug into the amp plate, which if you pay attention in our last video, you will have seen installing that in the Indian Chieftain. And then here we go ahead and we seal off our RCAs. We shrink tube our new ones on here, color coordinated to the locations. And then you come down here and the RCA ends have the same. So this is what I was talking about, the Allen machine bolt with the nylon lock nut here. There's not a lot to it because it's a pretty straightforward, simple install. So one quick note, we're now going to go through in this video again the process of how to remove the upper inner fairing pieces is what I call it, and the windshield frame. If you want to, check it out in our last video, which was the Indian Chieftain amp plate install video. But to get to this point, obviously you gotta disassemble the fairing, disassemble this top part, and our DSP is gonna go right here, which is just above the windshield motor and behind the ride command screen. So with that being said, let's get repositioned, show you how to install this, and we'll go ahead and install it as well. All right, just to know where we're at, this is the speedo and the tach, and this is the ride command screen here, and obviously the windshield motor here. So our DSP plate is going to go right here at an angle. So unfortunately, well, let me rephrase that. I'll see if I still have the footage. So if I do, it is here. And if not, that was a slightly awkward pause, and I'm just going to show you what we had to cut off. So from the factory right here, you can see how it's jagged on this side and this side. There's a plastic piece that sits on here, if I'm not mistaken. This part here comes down at like a triangle and a triangle. It's got a little platform piece here. It's plastic. So what I do is I use a oscillating tool, which you've seen me use it in the past, or I'm sure you can get creative with other tools, but simply just drop down here on each side, take this piece of plastic out, be careful because the ride command screen is here and the connectors are here with this. Just be very, very careful. The only tools you're gonna really need outside of that is a drill with a 15/64 drill bit, which is what we utilized for this, a 10mm and a 4mm Allen, because what you're gonna need to do is, unscrew this part. You're gonna need to take your DSP plate, and if you have one pre-tuned, pre-set up like this, then what you're gonna need to do is snake your RCAs down this opening because they're gonna get plugged into the amp. And over here where the other harness is you're gonna put our Davidson audio fairing connector harness and your remote wire down there. And then we're gonna sit this down here to where it's kind of hard to see this angle, but this piece comes down and it meets a crease here and then bends back like this. You want this to rest on that crease so that way we can drill the 2 holes in it. So let's get this situated. I'll show you where the holes bolt up and then I'll get a nice pan view up here so you can see it. And that'll be the install process. Then this is where I'm saying you would hold it down here. You can either mark it with like a paint marker on each side or a Sharpie, and then you would pull this back out. You would drill those 2 holes, and then you'll just drop your machine screws down from this side and use a 10mm on the back side to tighten this up, which is what we're gonna do now. All right, and just like that, we have showed you what the Davidson Audio DSP plate for the Indian Chieftain is, how to install it, why you might need one, or actually why you would need one for your aftermarket audio package for your Indian Chieftain. And now it's all complete. So I just want to take a quick second to thank you all so much for watching these videos, leaving the comment, the feedback that you guys have to this point. And I really hope that this video helps you understand why you need this plate, what it's for, how to install it, and helps you along the process when you're planning your aftermarket audio package for your 2019 and newer Indian Chieftain / Roadmaster. Because let's call it what it is. They're the same bike. So enough talking. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, this is Brandon Davidson, the owner of Davidson Audio, and I'm out.